We have analyzed the features and benefits most of the products available. This product is one of the best rated product in the market today. First, let's see the specs of the product.
Meet the Ninja Foodi family. Now, there's a Foodi for everyone. And by everyone, we mean the roasters, the steak grillers, the sheet pan meal thrillers, the bakers, the cocktail shakers, the skillet cookie makers, the soupers, the burger flippers, the french fry dippers, the toasters, the smoothie sippers, the chicken wing crispers. Whoever you are, whatever you want to make, be proud of what you cook.
Why we love this product. And these are rating for this product.